everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you a very easy and yummy recipe. So it's rasam, my kind of tomato rasam with the ingredients which you have and get it in your kitchen. So no need to worry and no need to buy any rasam powder from outside. Let's go and check how to do that.
To make tomato rasam, we need tomatoes, fresh coriander leaves, onion, green chili, garlic, coriander powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, fenugreek seeds and turmeric powder, tamarind small lemon size, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, pressure cooker and water. First, we need to roughly chop tomato, garlic cloves and green chili. Here, I am using 4 large red tomatoes, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and 1 green chili. Now take a pressure cooker. To this, add tamarind, garlic cloves, green chilies and chopped tomatoes. Now add some water, about half a glass, and close the lid and pressure cook it for 5 to 6 whistles. Now switch off the flame and let it cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, slowly open the pressure cooker cap. Now, with the help of the masher, we need to mash it properly. After that, use strainer and filter it. Take a spoon and mash it so that we can separate the skin. On the bottom of the strainer, you can see a thin layer of tomato puree. Make sure you collect it. Now, add some more water to the leftover pulp and strain it. Now, keep this aside. I am using the same pressure cooker for the remaining process. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, add fenugreek seeds and chopped onions. When the onions are half cooked, add the collected tomato water to this. To this, add half a liter of water and boil for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we need to add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of cumin powder, 2 pinch of turmeric powder and 2 pinch black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon sugar. Give it a stir and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. To make the rasam perfect, we need to add tempering to it. To make tempering, we need mustard seeds, garlic cloves, red dry chili, curry leaves, asafoetida. We need finely chopped coriander leaves for garnish. Add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets hot enough, you need to add mustard seeds to it. When the mustard seeds get cracked, you need to add all the remaining ingredients one by one. After adding curry leaves, just mix it and add 2 pinch of asafoetida. Now switch off the flame and add this tempering to the rasam. Now give it a mix and add chopped coriander leaves to it. Now the rasam is ready. You can have it with a hot rice. Since my kid loves this rasam, I keep making this often.
My mom makes the best rasam in
I'm having my rasam with more rice, pickle and pepper. After all, it's your lunch. Stay calm and enjoy your lunch. I just loved it. If you like our video, subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.